guys, it's me Hazel, and today we are going to be showing my collection of mini brands. I got this box here full of them, and we are gonna get to it. I'm going to show my toys first. I really like this golden llama. It's really cool. So I'll put that over right there. And then I have this rainbow corn. That's really cute. Like that. And I also have a normal llama and a golden one. Put those by each other. And this is the snake that my brothers always wanted. It's like a lizard, kind of. Okay, and I have this Patrick from SpongeBob. He's golden and rare. And this is a slime kit. If you can't see, it kind of like is shiny. That one is really cool. And then I also have this JoJo Siwa microphone. That one is cool. And I have a JoJo Siwa like head that you can like do her hair and stuff. And I have a JoJo Siwa bow. I actually do have this bow in my house. And I have two Dora microphones. So put those. Okay. And then I have a fingerling dinosaur. That's pretty cool. And I also have a dragon fingerling. And I have a monkey fingerling. Ooh, and I have a narwhal fingerling. And I have two normal slime kits. Put those up there. And I have these. I don't know what they're from, but there's something. And then I have these Ninja Turtle sets. I have this one, and I have another one of this one. Those all. Yeah. Okay. And I have this little teacup. I've always wanted these actually as a toy. They're really cute. And this is SpongeBob's car. He's actually in it. And then I have this SpongeBob holding a spoon, glasses. I have this SpongeBob holding a rainbow. And I have two Robo Dogs. So cute. I'm gonna put them up there. And then I have these two Smashers, I think. I have one gold and one normal. Put those back there. And I have this Robo Fish. I think that's what it's called. And I have this slime gun. And I have this slime that glows in the dark. Okay, and then I have this like Nerf gun. That's cool. And I have this Shimmer and Shine doll. Okay, and then I have this Frisbee. It also glows in the dark. And I have this cute little Barbie. Put that up there. And then this is for water balloons. You like fling them back. And then this is one of those things that I didn't know. I'll put that up there. And this is a cotton candy thing. That's pretty cute. And I have this Rubik's Cube. That one is really cool. This potion thing. That one go up there. I have this Ninja Turtle guy. Boop. And Dora's backpack. And I have a Blaze car. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.